Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to talking about this brick wall screen. We can see there are some brick rotate in each place. So we can decrease this area or increase this area, this brick rotation, such as if we move this slider, we can see the brick rotation area will decrease and also increase this area. Okay, we can also see this number slider. This number slider we can rotate this each section rotation process. So we can change this slider. You see the rotation of brick will work in each section. We can change another direction or another section or opposite side of this brick rotation process. Okay, so let's start. We have to create this script to create creating process this brick rotation screen wall. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we have to I just close this script. First of all, open Dynamo. When we open this Revit software, I just delete this surface curtain wall. When we open this Revit software, we have to select this manage and open this Dynamo plugins, Dynamo interface. So click this Dynamo. Now open a new file. First we have to create a wall surface by any kind of, we can use roof surface, we can use any kind of curved surface. I just create a straight wall surface, select wall and create a create a curtain wall surface. We can draw a solid wall surface. We need to select a surface. Okay, so first just first of all I can minimize this Dynamo screen as we show this you see this wall screen. First of all, create select face node. So just right click on this screen interface, select face. Just click this select face. If we select this node and just click this Revit surface was curtain wall surface, in Dynamo interface area, this surface will show in this section. See, so after that select another node. We can select which name is lunchbox staggered grid face. I just write this search area, staggered grid face. This is the node which we have to place in this Dynamo interface. Launch staggered grid by face. Actually, we need to select this LB synthesize custom package. So select this lunchbox staggered grid by face. This is a custom node. Select this surface to surface, and we have to set a number in U direction and V direction. Double click on this screen. We have to create a code block. So if we write suppose say 30 and 20 two number, just connect this 30 to U direction and 20 to V direction. As you see, there is some point create in this surface. You have to connect also this another information, can say Boolean information. Just right click on this screen, say Boolean. Just click this Boolean and also copy 2 times. Ctrl C on your keyboard. Just select this Boolean and Ctrl C on your keyboard and Ctrl V, paste it. Also another, paste it. Just connect this rotation and just select this and connect this Boolean rotation. If we select this true, the point orientation will rotate in another direction. Okay, so this node should be false, and also this node should be a true. Okay, if we set this true, we can see there is lots of staggered pattern and connect point to another point and create a curve. We have to resize this staggered grid. If I just increase this number, say 20, so sorry 10. This not actually, we have to set this if we set say 15 or 20 or 30. Okay, we can see the grid pattern looks like a brick pattern wall shape. Okay, we can start this shape to create a brick, rotation type brick. So after this node, create this node, we have to create say another node, say curve offset. I just save this script for a backup, say brick rotations. Just select this, save. Okay, now create a curve offset node. Select this interface surface, Dynamo, curve dot offset. if we connect this curve polygons, variable polygons, to connect this curve, there is all types of curves. All curves will offset from the each curve, from this main curve. Okay, I just connect the distance amount, this distance section of curve offset. Right click on this screen, number slider, and create a code block, so -x. Okay, so if we set we have to, if we set a 1, remove just say 0.1, for okay, this enough for this. Okay, that's it. We can enough this space, each rectangular area, brick pattern, this each pattern. We can change also, say 0.2, say 0.3. 0.3 is a good enough. Okay, after this curve offset, okay, I just maximize this Dynamo screen. We don't need show this Revit screen for now. We have to maximize this Dynamo screen to show whole area of this brick wall. So after create a curve offset, we have to just right click on this lunchbox staggered grid face and select a preview. Okay, for now just we can see curve offset. If we select the curve offset, the curve line will show glow blue color in this Dynamo screen area. So we have to if we just right click on this select face and preview off. Okay, first select we have to create a surface in each rectangular curve area, offset curve area. From this curve area, just connect this curve. If we create select by patch, select by patch, sorry, patch, surface by patch. Okay, connect this curve to close curve. Surface will create from this curve. Okay, after that we have to find out a surface area from this surface. So area surface area, connect surface to surface, we can see all pattern area, all surface area will find out. We can see this surface area in each and every surface. We can show this surface area. After surface, create a surface area, we have to create a math average. Math dot average, connect double this number and create a greater than. If you connect this double to this average and connect to y, we can see there's some this is the greater than boolean. Okay, there is some true false boolean. We can find this each and every index. Now we have to filter this surface. Depends on this numbering position. Okay, so create a boolean mask, filter by boolean mask, connect this boolean to this mask and connect the surface to this list. You can see there is some in list and out list. So save this script. So after this boolean mask, we have to surface point at parameter, a new node, surface point at parameter, surface dot point at parameter. If we before connect this surface point at parameter, we have to create a code block, say x, just connect into this connect x, and connect this surface. We have to set a number, double number, 0.5, connect this u2 and connect this p. There is a point place in each pattern surface in middle section. Okay, select a parameter curve. We need to create a surface curve, perimeter curve. Okay, so to do that, create a perimeter curve. Actually, we need to create a perimeter curve because we have to create this total rectangular area, this perimeter curve. Okay, we need to create a perimeter curve. After that, we have to decide which side we want to we want to know, we need to which side we want to create a to attractor each rotation. Okay, which line we want to need. Say if we select, if we want to this line, how to do that? Okay, we need to select this line, we need to draw this line. So to do that, just create a surface parameter, select this surface parameter, click this Dynamo interface area, surface dot perimeter curve. I just connect this surface from this select face surface to this, connect this surface area. As you see, if we select this node in Dynamo graph area, there is this surface will show the perimeter curve will glow in this screen wall. So for after that, we can see there is a 4 curve in this screen wall. Okay, we need to pick one curve. We need to pick one curve to create a attractor. For create a attractor, so after perimeter, create after perimeter curve, select create a list get item at index, connect this curve to this list and say just create a code block 0.3, or if we write this 3 and connect this index, I just hide this preview. If we create say 2, there is a warning message. We have to if we say 0, we can see there is a 4 curve also transfer this I get item index. We need to collect in one curve. If we collect this one curve, how to do that? Actually we have to transfer, create a use levels. As you see, if we set a number in code block 0, there is a one curve create in bottom section of this screen area. If we set this number 1, we don't need this line, we have to select another. Okay, that's it. We want to select this line. After get item this index node, connect create another node geometry distance 2, because if we want to rotate this brick section and from this line attractor, create a geometry distance 2, 3 distance 2, distance to, and connect point to this geometry, and connect items, this line to this other. There is some distance distance show in this node. This line from each and every point. Okay, so each and every point from this line, all point, this line from this point, this line from this point, from this line. Okay, each and every point from this line. We need to collect the distance. After create a geometry distance, we have to filter another section. Okay, create a smaller than node. Say need to set a slider, number slider. Just write this number, say 34. If we connect this double to this X and say connect this Y, and create a boolean mask, filter by boolean mask, and connect this smaller than to the mask, and connect this filter from this in list. If we connect this in list, I just hide this point and also hide this preview. Okay, after that, if we say create a code block X, connect this to this in list, and just hide this we need to surface area surface by patch. As you see, if we hide this this all surface, this surface, this is also hide, and also select this, hide this node, also this node, and also this node. If we collect from this boolean mask from this section in list, if we decrease this number or increase this number, this area will show what area will brick rotate in from this whole brick section area. Okay, after filter this surface, we have to decide which number brick we want to rotate in brick surface area. So you have to create a node, nth item node. Okay, take nth, every nth item node, nth, take every nth item node. If we connect this surface to this list, and we have to set a number in n and offset, set 2, and also connect this n to this n offset. Preview of. We have to create a levels. After create these levels, we can see, we can find the nth 2 bricks in 2 sections of this brick area, one by one. Okay, so create a surface pattern, surface point at parameter, point at parameter, surface point at parameter. Connect this surface, this item from this in this surface, and connect a number 0.5 and U direction and V direction. Need to be create another geometry distance 2. Geometry, right click on this screen, the distance 2, and connect this point to this geometry, and other is from this list get item from index. Okay, now create a rotation, geometry rotation process. Geometry rotate, geometry dot rotate. We have to pick origin, axis and degree. Connect this point to this origin, and the geometry is the nth item from this. Connect this geometry rotate and connect this rotation degree, and axis should be Z. After connect this rotation as Z axis, the brick rotation will we see brick already rotate from the each place. Okay, if we hide this nth item, preview, the brick will rotate in each section. Okay, so geometry rotate, after create a geometry rotate, actually we have to create a remap range. After remap range, we can find a perfect rotation process, rotation attracting process from this line. Okay, remap range, and connect a number to number slider, say number slider, and copy another part. Suppose if we set say 30 by 70, or this is the maximum or minimum. Okay, actually this is the minimum and the maximum, and connect double this number, and also connect this list to this degrees. We can see the attracting process we see in each section. After create a rotation process, we need to create another every nth of item. Okay, take every nth of item, connect actually nth item connect this X surface to this list, say 2, and so 1. Connect this to this and offset is 1. We see there is another surface create in flat area section. Okay, if we change this level, we can remove the rotation surface section. Now create a 2 code block. X code, connect this filter this section and move to this area, and also copy it, connect this filter this out list, okay. We can find the whole brick screen wall. Now connect this node to the create a list. List create. Just connect this list to this list. We need to create a 4 item. Connect this one, connect also this one, and also connect this one. Okay, so I just hide this section area. Select this section area and hide all geometry. We can see that if we select the list create, the whole screen area will show in this Dynamo screen area. Now we have to create thickness from this surface. Surface dot thickness both sides and connect this surface. Say thickness is 0.5. Okay, and boolean is both side boolean. True. Now screen wall created, as you see. So if we change this number from a remap range, we can decrease or increase this number. In both sides. Or we can change the rotation area. We can change the position of rotation area. Will decrease or increase. Okay. If we as you see the in Revit section, Revit interface area, the brick also, rotation brick also show in blue color. If we transfer this solid form, this brick wall, transfer this Revit interface area, we have to create another node. So save this script. Say direct shape solid, direct shape by geometry. I just transfer automatic to manual for safe. it could be close this file, create categories. We need to transfer this form to this another, say, generic model. This category and solid geometry. Okay, now if we click this run, the whole geometry from this Dynamo transfer to this Revit section. I just save this script and run it. As you see, the all brick will transfer. Just hide this geometry shape in Dynamo section to show create a realistic all types of brick. Screen wall transfer. From this Dynamo. Okay, so this is the process to rotation brick wall screen. Okay, so that's it for today. We will see see in next video tutorial. Okay, so take care, bye.